back again. You see my shirt? You see my shirt?
What does it say?
Got birds on there. Birds. Not the name. The name not bird, but it got birds. Look at the back. Y'all see the back? Birds in the trap. See? You know I had to do it. Had to cop the shirt for this review. Let's do it. To get into track one, I've been waiting for this shit forever, bro. I've been waiting for this track forever. For this album. I would say mixtape. Been waiting for a minute now. So let's get into this shit. I know it's gonna be dope. But everybody saying it's flames, everybody hitting me up, bro, this is album of the year. This is best album yet. Oh, this is his best album yet. Oh my God, I can't wait. Listen to it. Let me get to it. Track one, The Ends. Whoa, whoa. Man, the Kanye influence is strong as fuck. Strong as fuck, man. So if I make it out, one eye open, illuminate. This beat right here sounds like Company from Drake when he was on the track too. And at the end of the song, this is what the change up, you know, the beat changes up on Company at the end, and he comes in. This is what the beat sound like, in my opinion, you know. Naughty, press the issue. We ain't sending shots, we launching missiles. When you're riding in the back of the backseat, drive a run a muscle like I'm running a track meet. Gotta watch my point. Oh my God. It's all survival, but please be careful. Bro, this nigga Andre need to stop doing that shit, bro. Fuck. This nigga been doing every time he's not even named on the track again, bro, and he's on here. That has to be him, bro. Why does he keep doing that? He's not even putting his name in the credit like featuring Andre 3000. Like, does he think he's too good? Like, come on, my nigga. Fuck. Hate that shit. Try making a comeback and shit, huh? And said he had a label recruiting people. Put that on my grandma and everything. Yeah. Bro, I just noticed what this nigga is doing. Almost, okay, this is my theory. Andre 3000, every song I done heard him on, he's dissing. Well, I don't care what nobody says. He's dissing Drake. I don't care what nobody says. I know y'all, no, he's dissing Drake, bro. Last track he says, oh, I didn't know rap changed so much, saying something. That's what he was basically conveying in the rap, saying, oh, I thought niggas wrote they shit. It's Drake. Drake is the biggest fucking dude that's used ghostwriters. And he's dissing Drake. You hear it. And this right here, he's talking about how, what did he say? Let me go on this shit, bro. He said something about... Listen. And said he had a label recruiting people. Put that on my grandma and everything. Oh, it's dope, but I feel like he's just taking small shots at Drake back and forth because that label when he was like, instead he's out here recruiting people. But I don't know. I feel like he's been taking shots at Drake a lot, but this shit is pure heat, bro. I'm not lying. That first track is heat. Andre came in with a nice verse, fuck with it, but he needs to put his goddamn name on the goddamn song. Cause he keep tricking people. I'm like, who the fuck is this, bro? His name not even credited, bro. Damn, come on. Track 2, Way Back. I need fake niggas to get way back. James on with the range on me, nigga, way back. I can't get no rest. Bro. Me in the house. I fall asleep with a tech. Stashing on the pills in my desk. House. I can't get no. They trying to throw shade. All these wins I can. Wow, this shit is smooth. I think that Travis Scott became that guy. He became that guy that when he drops music, you know it's gonna be excellent. He's taking on the role of the cool guy, in my opinion. He's like the guy that comes and he's like, shit. And everybody anticipates his album, but he always pushes it back. you know, he's taking on that role. I feel like he's like, I don't know, man. I just feel like he's just like, he has his own type of wave. Like, it's different. Like, when his shit about to drop, he has hardcore fans. Like, I ain't never seen fans like this. Like, they passionate, bro. It's weird, man. But it's dope, though. See, he created something that he can forever fall back on when he needs, you know? But let's keep it going.
I fall asleep with a tech, stashing all the pills on my desk. Whoa, wait, it's summertime, why they tryna throw shade? Just let me show it back it okay. Make the girl that she bring that to the crib, keep that in the line. You never seen the city unless you lay that high.
Oh, switches up, man. It was, I fuck with it. It's dope, man. Like the hook, the switch up, and everything is amazing, man. I like it. I like the way he's doing this. I feel like this is probably better than Rodeo, bro. Like, I think it is. There's too much heat on here. Plus his bars, his lyrics have went up a little bit, you know? Track 3. Coordinate track 3. I never say the tracks. What the fuck?
Traffic, 2 kids automatic. Need a strip club tragic. 2 bras going at it. Me and John going crazy.
I feel like this. Bro. It was worth the wait, bro. It was worth the fucking wait, man. That. The way the voice, the auto-tune just makes it sound dope, and then the flow. Cause you know when you use auto-tune, you have to hit certain notes for it to sound a certain way. He hits the right notes, and that shit is dope. Track 4, Do It a Late Night. Wow. You give me chills, bro.
Then we sleep through day, then we play all through the late night. Sleep through day, then we play all through the late night. All through the late night. See you play, don't you hate? All through the late night. All through the late night. All through the late night. Got smoke, drink, I'm in this space. Done contemplating, I'ma take it in the group in this case. Come play until
who is this? Is Travis?
No sleeping in my bed, no sleeping in my bed. Yeah, we gon' play, come play. All through the late night.
The generation before, after, is always better than the generation before in certain ways. If you are dedicated to what you do and you really want to make something better. No matter what you do, the next generation will always be better. If that generation or a person in that generation decides, hey, I want to make this better, so I'm going to do this for real, like focus shit, like, you know, like really get into the craft. And I think he ran off that 808 sound, and he built on it and made it better in certain ways. That's how I feel about it. Also, you know, Drake built off the 808 sound too. So, you know, and made it better, and that's why I'm saying generation after generation always better. That's my opinion, but you know. Let's get to track 5, Bibs in the Trap. Everybody now putting rappers' names says featuring no more. Like, what's up with that? You want to be like surprising or some shit? Come on now.
Versace my clothes, I with a white hoe and she snorting 3 lines like a deed. A black girl rolling.
Who's this?
Be the keys to the condo. Bitch, close the door. The shit on your nose. She said she want more. She said she want more. She want more. She said she want more.
Whoa.
So I'ma get more. Yeah,
production on this is amazing, dude.
I just put an 8 in a liter. In the water, no Fiji. Free sticks, I'm pulled up and I'm leaning. I got a couple pussy niggas in the feeling.
Like this,
you need to let go. She fucked on my bros. She snorting the snow. Spotlight. Cooling. Nice. Peace. Beat me. Strike me. Indict me.
Bro. This is amazing, bro. Wow. 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 Let's get to track 6, bro. Wow. I can't stop. Wow. What the fuck? Every track. This motherfucker is a god, bro. How? This shit is amazing, bro. Fuck. Track 6, SDP interlude. What the? Oh my god, bro. This nigga's the borderline genius, bro. What the fuck? I just need me a production like this, boy. I promise you. This shit is amazing. Wow, this beat selection. Fuck. Ooh. I like the interludes, really good. Like the beat, the way that it switch it up in different ways. It switches to a certain smooth, and it goes back up with the fucking drum. It's just amazing, bro. I can't. Ah, God. Track 7, sweet. Fuck, sweet. Fucking amazing, my nigga. Fuck. You missing out if you haven't heard it yet. Fucking. Bruh.
Sweeping downstairs in the basement with the most. Shot my town, shot my come get it, come get a scope.
Wait, I heard that drum come in.
I done finally found a way to make the loop. Got this, yeah, they link up. Go pursue some shit you think. All this to start again. Cause it's sweet.
I'm convinced this nigga just fucking genius, bro. This is everything's amazing. Track 8, Outside. This beat is nasty.
All my niggas outside. Yeah, automatic. Yeah, always got it on me, baby, automatic. Yeah, push up on me, them boys make you do a backflip, balance on the beat. Yeah, balance on the beat. Yeah, you might just win a ring. Yeah, why they home on their home screens? And all my niggas outside, hanging outside, going in. Outside, not going in. Hope you had a mattress where you sleeping on me. Hope you got some backup if you creeping on me.
That fucking beat. God damn. Track 9, Goosebumps.